Greetings, beautiful people. Welcome back to Uncle Lou's Kitchen. Woohoo! Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make the most incredible pita bread you will ever have in your life. I'm talking about inflated, puffed up pockets. You can put everything you want in there, right? Whatever you want to do, you do to it. Now, I've got to give a massive shout out to Max Malkiel, because his is the only recipe that will get you 100% of the time 100% correct. Okay, there's so many out there. I've tried millions of techniques. I've bought tons of flour over the past months and years since I've been trying to do this. This is the only one that works. Every single one that you see here, inflated. So they've all got a pocket. But before we continue, as always, please hit the like button, hit subscribe. If you like vegan, vegetarian food, meat-free, cruelty-free, this is the place. So hit the subscribe button and the little bell notification so you can get little pings every time I upload something awesome. Yeah, let's get cooking.
Okay, so first of all we want to start off with 500 grams of plain white flour that we've put through a sieve. The reason why we put it through a sieve is to make the dough more airy. Next, 7 grams of dry yeast. 7 grams is usually the content of 1 sachet, which is an industry standard. Next you want 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and 320 ml of warm water. Not hot, not cold. Okay, so first of all we're going to add our flour to the big bowl. We're going to make a little hole in the side for the salt, just so that we don't put it directly on top of the yeast. Next you're going to give it a little stir, just add all the ingredients in. There's no set order to this, just throw it all in there. Now what you want to do is give it a nice good knead and keep on kneading it until the side of the bowl is pretty much clean. In total you're looking at about 10 minutes of kneading. Once the bowl's clear, just give it a bish bash bosh on the flat surface and roll it into a nice little ball. As you can see, it's best if you can cover it first with a plastic bag and then put a towel on top and leave it in a warm, dry place. So 1 hour has gone by. I'm just going to remove the towel and the plastic, and you'll see that it has inflated. Obviously the longer you leave it, the more it inflates, and generally the longer you leave it, the better, but for the sake of this, 1 hour is fine. Now we want to break off 100 gram pieces. Now the technique that you want is to pinch it from under, turn it, pinch it from under, turn it, and again pinch it from under. I'll show you it again a few times just so you can get the hang of it, but this is how you essentially want it. Give it a little twist. Feel free to roll it around, it's okay. Should be left in total with 8 pita breads. Now you want to cover them back up again and let them sit for 1 more hour. So 1 hour's gone by and I'm just going to peel everything off with a little help from my queen. In the meantime, make sure your oven has been preheated to 250 degrees or whatever the highest amount will be. If you're American, 480 degrees is fine as well. Now on a floured surface, I'm going to roll out my individual pita bread, trying to keep them as round as possible. They see me rolling. Now the reason you're going to see me flip it over each time I roll it out is because when you usually make a pita bread, sometimes you cut it open and you'll see one side is paper thin and the other is a bit thicker. So this is going to increase your chances of getting it as even as possible.
A few moments later.
Okay, so just to show you that these all inflate, basically I'm going to cut one open. As you can see, perfect pocket, perfect thickness on each side. This doesn't come out like a piece of paper, yeah? You still want it to have some substance so that when you drop things in there, it won't just rip. Now, once you've done cooking them, or baking them, should I say, put a towel over them. This will keep them moist. You do want there to be moisture. If these go dry, they will die, basically. Now, put whatever you want in there, and that is how you make the perfect pita bread. So guys, if you happen to like my videos, pita bread, vegan food, vegetarian food, meat-free, cruelty-free, please do hit the like button, hit subscribe, hit the little bell notification so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video. It will mean the world to me. Thank you very much for your viewings. Please leave a comment down below if you have any other ideas of recipes that you want me to make. If there's something meaty that you like and you want me to make a vegan version, let me know in the comments and I'll try my best and we'll see how we go from there. I love you. Thank you very much for your support. Take care.